with Younique 3D fiber lashes. So you want to see how it works? You want to see if it worked? You want to see if I love it? Continue watching. Hey YouTube! So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and it's on Younique, the 3D fiber lashes. How exciting! I posted this a couple of days, maybe like a week ago, and a lot of you were saying lots of good things and a lot of you were saying a lot of bad things. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do this live. So you open it up and then you have these two mascara looking tubes. There was no instructions that really came with it. I think these are the instructions, so let me just bite my tongue real quick. So let me just read it real quick. Okay, so the instructions are pretty easy. I like it how it's not really complicated. First off, I just have to say, this is just like some cute packaging, isn't it? Like, I love how it has like Younique on it, and it just like seems like, they seem really lightweight, but they seem pretty cool. So I'm like pretty excited about that. So this is the Mood Struck Natural Fibers, and then this one is the Mood Struck Transplanting Gel. So you apply this first, and then before it even has time to dry, you apply this, and then to set it, you apply this again. So this should be interesting. It says to do one eye at a time. So let me just zoom you guys in so you guys get the, like, a real legit tutorial. Well, like, you know, first impressions. So I want you guys in focus. There you go. I think that's in focus, right? So I'm gonna go in with the gel. Okay, so these are my lashes, okay? Let's just look at my lashes.
It's like, girl, what lashes? You ain't got no lashes, boo-boo.
I don't. I really don't. Like, I'm not gonna even fake it. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is the first one. And we have to apply this. It's a gel. Seems like a normal mascara wand. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking it was gonna be a lot different. So going in with this first, I'm gonna apply that on my lashes. It says to apply an even coat, so let's see. So you see, like, I have no lashes. So we have to immediately move on to the second one before this dries. So going in with this one. Oh wow, that's pretty interesting. Like, you can see all the fibers on that. It's pretty cool. So just going in with this. It makes them, so far they look really thick. It just looks like I have a bunch of fuzzies on my eyes. Okay. It's pretty interesting. I've never used something like this. It just feels like I'm dusting like lint on my eyelashes and it's getting stuck. Okay, okay, I see you. Okay, so since it's my first time, it's not going to be like perfecto, so hopefully some of you guys don't get mad. So now going in with the gel again, because it says to go in with the gel again to set it. I am going to do that. Okay. And there you go. I can kind of see a difference. Like, I kind of see like how it did get thick right here. Anyway, but I don't know. I feel like we have like baby lashes. Like, okay, yeah, I made them long, but I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I was expecting so much more. Can you guys see that? Like, you guys see that? Like, yeah, you can kind of see like the fuzzies on there and stuff, but I guess I was just expecting like a lot more of like, wow, you know? So I'm gonna move on to this eye, and maybe this eye won't look as jacked as this one. So going in with the gel, we're gonna, I guess you can do this as many times as you want. Like, you just gotta keep sealing it with the gel. So let's see, I'm gonna see if we can apply a good amount. Like, I was not joking when I said, like, I have baby eyelashes. I seriously have baby eyelashes where it's like, I don't even have baby eyelashes because my kids have longer eyelashes than me. Like, it's so crazy. So I'm just gonna go in, apply a good coat. We'll do my bottom lashes también and a ver qué pasa, just to see like if it like works, because I know my bottom lashes are probably longer than my top. So going in with the fibers, I'm just gonna dust these on there. Yeah, you see this eye, you could definitely see more difference. This eye, I think I don't have enough eyelashes on that one. Oh, so the fibers are falling all over your face, messing up your highlight. It's okay. It's okay. Just go like that. Yeah, this one definitely like popped more. So I think I just gotta go back and do more coats on the other one. Okay, and now you have to seal it with the gel so that it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, like the gel, like there's so much fibers like all over my face that fell. I'm gonna have to fan those off so it's not cute. Okay, so this eye definitely you can kind of see like the fibers worked a lot better on this one. Let me see. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Can you guys? Okay, so yeah, I would say definitely this eye worked. Like it worked on this side because this eye was like a lot longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply more because it says to your desire. Well, this is not my desired eyelash look. Okay, so just gonna apply some more of the gel, going in with the fibers, the mascara, the fibers. There you go. Yep, it's kind of getting them more now. Second time, like it's getting them definitely a lot more. And then going in with the gel to seal it. It's a lot of gel you have to use. It's definitely buildable, like, you know, but I think this is more for the ladies who have like really long eyelashes and who have pretty eyelashes, long eyelashes. Like, I don't know, I'm not really liking it. Like, I do want to like it, but at the same time, I'm just like, it's not doing anything. So let me do my bottom. And if I like the bottom, then I'm going to say I love it. Because my bottom lashes, I feel like, are a lot longer and fuller than my top. So we're going to go in with the gel first. Okay, and then hurry and go to the fibers and just start adding the fibers on there. Okay, and then I have to set it with the gel. There you go. Yeah, it did a little, but I feel like I can achieve the same look with just a crap load of mascara. Like, you know, going with the gel, then the fibers, and the gel, it's just like, it's really time consuming. Yeah, it's just really time consuming. I'm just gonna finish with this eye, and then I'll be back for my final thoughts. Okay, so what I have to say about this product, the Younique 3D fiber lashes, I don't like it. I feel like it didn't work for me. I have so many fibers, like it just seriously like just killed my look. And I'm just like, ugh, like it seriously messed up my makeup, where the fibers just kept falling. It's not cute. I did see a little volume, but if anything, like to like be like completely honest, it just made them look like spiders. Like not even the cool spiders where it's like, oh, she has long eyelashes, like those look so pretty. Like, cause believe me, I like to cake on my mascara, but it doesn't, it just looks like they're going like this, like true, like it doesn't even look wow. It just looks like my mascara got too clumpy right away. Like it doesn't really look that flattering. Kind of disappointed because you see so many pictures on like Facebook and Instagram, and like these people have like these beautiful long eyelashes. I just think those people already have long eyelashes, and that's why they look so nice. If you have short eyelashes like me, where like you don't have anything, do not use this. You are just gonna be like this and, you know, feeling sad and stuff. I'm just like, it looks so bad. Like I thought maybe my bottom lashes, like they would look a little bit more decent, but the bottom lashes where the fibers fell underneath my eye, it seriously just looks like I have like a nasty bag. Like it looks really, really bad. So for me, it was a fail. I did want to like it. I wanted to be on that train where everyone was like, oh my god, it's my favorite mascara ever. Unfortunately, it's not mine. Sorry. I did, you know, talk to my friend because she has short eyelashes too, and her mom sells Younique, and she said that she didn't like it either, that it's just because she has short eyelashes, but other people love it. And I'm thinking like those other people love it because like they have long eyelashes. Like I'm pretty sure if I put this on Rudy, they would look so beautiful. Like it just bloom, bloom. So unfortunately for the people who have short eyelashes like me, this ain't for you, boo boo. So that's okay. At least I got to try it and, you know, play around with it, and yeah. So let me know down below if you have tried Younique, and if there's certain ways to apply it. If you have like, you know, like a certain makeup trick, like, oh, I do this and then it works. Let me know down below. I would really love to, you know, learn how to do it if I did it wrong. I don't think I did it wrong. I don't know, who knows, maybe I did do it wrong. So please leave me your comments down below and let me know if it's worked out for you, or if you guys liked it, if you guys didn't like it, if you guys had a good experience, a bad experience. I want to know. So yeah, leave your comments down below and I would enjoy reading them and, you know, hearing you guys' feedback. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!